on the market, showings on the shore are down, translating to rising days on the market, longer time on the market until a contract is received. It's Friday, May 27th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Here's an overview of market activity for the Eastern Shore. The number of homes listed for sale has risen again this week to 1,117 properties. 114 properties are coming soon, and this is down from the prior week. 193 came to the market since last week's report. 94 properties are temporarily off. 92 properties went under contract, and this is down from recent weeks. 111 properties went to pending. This also reflects fewer moving to pending than previously. 179 properties settled in 8 days. This is 1 day longer than prior weeks. The highest sale this past week was in Snug Harbor of Berlin for $1.8 million. Available rentals fell to 36 properties at a $1,900 median lease price. Are you thinking about moving? Reach out to us to make it happen, and be sure to get our home buyers and home seller guides. That's this week's Maryland Shore Report for Friday, May 27th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, take care.